starchy edible roots, of which there are several varieties. It can be boiled, fried, or roasted, depending on the variety. Cocoyam is typically used as a thickener in a soup like oha, bitterleaf, and so on. So today let's make this mouth-watering cocoyam soup. I'm Nancy Ogbebo and you are welcome to my kitchen. So on my list I have salt, ugiri, cocoyam, onion, stockfish, crayfish, beef, habanero pepper, cow skin, bitter leaf washed already, seasoning powder. Let's dive right into it. Okay, so here you have to wash and cook your cocoyam until the fork passes very easily through it. Okay, so you drain out the water and allow to cool down a bit, then peel and blend your cocoyam with water till it is very smooth. You can also pound in a mortar. So we'll set that aside. Moving on, next I'll add in my beef, stockfish. You can use any protein of choice. Okay, so I'll add in my onion, ginger and garlic, seasoning powder. I'm using goat's meat seasoning powder. Add in the salt and I'll add in water and allow this to cook until it is tender. Okay, so after the beef is well cooked, I'll start by adding in my habanero peppers. Next, I'll add in the ugiri. So I mix it with warm water. I'll add in palm oil, so this is my blended cocoyam, and I'll transfer it right into the meat base and see how colorful this is. I'll quickly stir this together so everything mixes properly. I went ahead to add in more cocoyam. Okay, so be careful so you wouldn't have a watering soup. Okay, so next I'll be adding in my washed bitter leaf. See this bitter leaf? I washed it till there was no bitterness inside because I really don't like the bitter taste of bitter leaf. But okay, so I've washed my bitter leaf. If not, will be too bitter. So after that, I will cover and allow it to cook for a few minutes and I'll come back to it. I'll give this a quick stir so it wouldn't get burned from the bottom. Okay, thank you everyone for always coming back to watch me. I truly appreciate your effort, your support. Please subscribe to this channel and stay connected. Okay, next I'll add in my cow skin and crayfish powder, and this took the taste to another level. Trust me, you will definitely fall in love with this soup after cooking it. Okay, so you give this a stir and allow it to simmer for 3 to 5 minutes, and you just made the most delicious native soup. You can serve this mouth-watering soup with fufu, semo, and the yam, eba, and so on, and the taste was amazing. I'll see you in my next one. From me is bye.